Toraji has marked not just the latest typhoon ever recorded in a year, it has also ushered in the city's first Typhoon Trading Day.
Among the districts that have been the hardest hit by typhoons over the years is right here in the windswept neighborhood of Hengpachun in the Eastern District. But not a lot of big waves this time under Toraji. Some residents said winds were not as strong as before. Flood-prone hotspot Lei Yue also saw fewer precautionary measures against storm surges. At Hongheng Pier, some even took a dip in the sea. The government received 13 reports of fallen trees amid the storm. And after the T8 typhoon alert was replaced with a strong wind signal number 3 at 10:20 a.m., bus stops were swamped with people rushing back to work. Similar sight at Shenzhen in Xunwan. More crowds too around MTR stations. At the airport, around 10 flights were cancelled amid the T8 alert. The airport authority said most operations were not disrupted. Some airport staff also handed out bottled water and snacks to travelers. Tropical Storm Toraji also ushered in the city's very first Typhoon Trading Day. It's business as usual for this brokerage firm in Central amid the number 8 gale or storm signal. Marking the first activation of the severe weather trading operational arrangements that the Hong Kong exchanges and clearing launched in September, the city's securities and derivatives markets are allowed to continue services despite severe weather conditions. The staff member said even before the measures roll out, they used to work amid T8 with the international markets running on. Others, trade settlement requests and inquiries could be heard streaming in as the market opened at 9:30 a.m. The securities firm in Wan Chai meanwhile suspended services under T8. The Hong Kong exchanges and clearing said after tests and trials, more than 99% of securities market participants were able to maintain operations under such inclement weather, with only 4 firms lacking in readiness. Some brokerage firms opened after the T8 alert was downgraded to T3. Its manager said all the glass windows and doors in buildings around Central can pose safety concerns amid the typhoon, so they don't want their workers to take a risk during their commute to the office. Under the new typhoon trading arrangements, Secretary for Financial Services and the Treasury Christopher Hui said the city's stock market saw a half-day turnover reaching nearly $81.5 billion. He said it marked a new milestone for Hong Kong's financial markets, aligning further with international standards while enhancing the city's competitiveness.